friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making banana bread with Bisquick baking mix. For this easy recipe, we need 3 bananas, 3 eggs, vegetable oil, Bisquick baking mix or any other kind of pancake instant mix, vanilla, and sugar. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to start by preparing my baking pan. So this is a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. I'm just going to spray the non-stick cooking spray so banana bread doesn't stick. So just spray the bottom and sides of the pan, or you can brush it with oil or rub it with butter. Now once I've prepared the pan, I'm going to mash 3 bananas. So let's peel them and put them in a bowl. And I will mash them with a fork. So now I mashed the bananas. I'm going to add 3 eggs. One-third cup of vegetable oil. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And mix until combined. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of Bisquick baking mix. And 2/3 of a cup of sugar. And again, let's mix until combined. And now banana bread batter is ready, so let's just transfer it to the loaf pan. And now let's put it in the oven. So put it in the oven, so it's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's done baking, so let's take a look. Look at this banana bread, it looks amazing. Let's take it out of the oven. Wow, look at that. It looks so good. And now you can just make sure it's cooked by inserting a toothpick, and it should come out clean. If your oven cooks differently and it's not ready, you can always just bake it for an additional 5 to 10 minutes until it's fully baked. Now let me have it cool down for about 20-30 minutes until it's cool enough to handle, and then we'll try it. Now banana bread have cooled down a little bit, so let me slice it and try it. It looks amazing. Look at this texture. Looks so delicious. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. It tastes as good as it looks. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!